Hello guys, welcome back to Kanato Studios, and today we are gonna play Restaurant Tycoon 2. In Restaurant Tycoon 2, you run a restaurant, and yes, Gabe is here. So let's play some Restaurant Tycoon 2. Okay, let's start a new restaurant named Kanato Food. Kanato Food. Kanato Food. Let's select the managers. C#, which is Claire, by the way, if you didn't know. C# and GeForce Max. Where's Max? Add that. Next. La la la. What should we? Yeah, guys. My friend just joined, which is Gabe. Do you think I think? Yeah, this is good. And so I keep on. Oh, come on. Kanato isn't allowed. Kanato. Set. Check. Nope. How about Quanto? Quanto Food. Set. Guys, what is going on? Set it. Quanto Food. Set. Oh, hey, thanks, Gabe. Let's not worry about the name now. Let's just make this stuff. Okay, we got to spin, 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 and then we got to salt, and then we got DDS, S.
I want to cook. I want to cook. Okay.
You be the waiter, Gabe, okay? Can you be the waiter? I love the click rapidly. Now we just gotta wait. And we're done. That was easy. So, thank you guys for watching and bye. No, we're not gonna end it there. We gotta keep working.
Because that would be a scam to you guys.
Yeah, and I care about my fans. So, let's get right in. So, people who eat spring rolls with a spoon, with a fork, and a knife. Okay, we'll collect those dishes, and what would you like, ma'am?
I'm gonna collect the dishes.
You would like that and that. And then you like that and that. Now we gotta...
I'm waiting for my roast.
Click, 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 click. Now we gotta toast it. It. Come on, we gotta do this. Guys, let me check if this still works. Yeah, it does. Oh. I wasn't paying attention, so that happened. Let me check this. Yeah, I bet it does. Thank you. Oh, where did the fire come from? Happy Mother's Day, oh, happy Mother's Day. Okay, there.
Yeah,
Let's
by
get.
the way, that was made by me. Go
Yeah.
check it out.
It's his most popular video, or would I say song? What is going on with my hand? Guys, let me reset.
There you go. Now eat. Wait, what? Yay!
Hello. Okay, you can make a video right now. Oh. That's fine.
I'm at J City.
Chase City. Oh,
Yeah, that's literally the name of my restaurant.
Let me collect my cash. You want the egg tart? Okay, we'll get you the egg tart. There you go.
Oh my god.
Spin, 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 spin. D, D, S, S, S. Let me put this on.
I'm the best one on the server.
Let me go to IKEA. Let me go to IKEA. Let me get my car out. My car. Now I'm at IKEA. I'm at. Hey, I'm actually just.
Wait, I'm coming to IKEA to buy some more stuff from my restaurant.
Why is everybody doing this? Why am I doing this? Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, I know why you're doing that.
Why?
Because the game thinks you're still taking orders.
Let me buy the drinks fridge. So then I can get access to my drinks. So that's like a table for two. You want your egg tart. You can have that. And then what do you like, ma'am? Okay, you like that and like that. Now let me just build this. There, now people have access. Now let's cook. Maybe cooking will put it off. Once we hit 10 minutes, then this video will be over. Oh man, roast. What would you like, ma'am? Can you like that? Thanks for the money, ma'am. Come on, let's go. And that will do it for today, folks. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and turn on post notifications. Also, subscribe. And bye.